Hey everybody, I just started it before and I realized I could have made a video, but it's still cold, but I ran it for like a minute or two, so I'm gonna start it, pull it up, give it a couple of revs. It's been in room temperature all night, so I'll let it idle for a minute before I rev it. Yeah, it only lets you rev it to 3,500 or 4,000 RPM. I should have probably let it warm up a little more. Damn it. I've never done that before. But anyway, I just waxed it and it's looking pretty good. It's already saying it was 150 degrees when I revved it, so I mean, it was getting up there pretty quickly, but I should have waited until now to do it. 2 minutes, you know, but. Sorry if it's shaking. I'm trying to keep it as steady as I can. It's a little tough. It's a cell phone, so. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to wrap it up. It's 3 minutes and 15 seconds coming up on. So I hope it sounded alright, because I'm only making one copy of this, because I do have the garage open. It's open more than it looks. So the exhaust is going out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.